Hello everybody, today we make rollata lasagna with the white sauce, bechamel sauce. And look how beautiful look. And now for the ingredient, I got spinach, butter, ricotta, mozzarella, garlic, egg, neck nug, nutmeg, flour, Parmigiano cheese, and 4 cups of milk. And I got the lasagna I cook already. And I cool down. Okay, we started with the spinach, and we put oil. We leave it warm up a little bit. And I got 3 pieces of garlic, but just I saute with the garlic after I take out this. And let's just see the garlic, you gotta start to jump around. When you start to jump the garlic, we put the spinach. Come on, jump around. Yeah, jump around. Okay, now the spinach ready. The garlic already jump with the oil. Hey, take this, not jump too much. And we go. Oh, jump. Boy. Not make too much noise. Now this we gotta do a little bit at a time like this. When this is cooked, it come a little bit like this, one little ball. Look how many spinach. Okay, we put a little salt, sea salt. All right. We gotta saute all this a little bit after we leave it cool off. I got the garlic after I take it out. Okay, now it is done. I want to put it right over here. I gotta take it, drain it good. I don't want no water. And we do like this. We squeeze, look, and the water come off, look, come out. And now, after the spinach I want to start with the bechamel. Okay, we started with the bechamel sauce. And we started with the butter. We gotta melt the butter really good. The butter is already soft, it got left outside. This it's easy to make. It's not really hard. So everybody look the way I do, it's easy. It tastes delicious, really good. Now we start with the frusta. What do you call this in English? Frusta. Whiskey. Ooh, whisk. Huh. All right. Now the flour, I do a little bit at a time. And we load that the gas. I don't want the butter to be burned, because the bechamel, it got to be nice and beautiful white. I like to pour the flour a little bit at a time, the same way when you do the polenta. Because you pour everything at one time, I'm not too happy. It can come crumbly. Now, you see the flour and the butter, it got to be like this. Now we start with the milk. Look at this, and I start to come nice and thick. Now all the milk is inside. Okay, now we put a little nutmeg. Scrape a little bit, give a really good taste to this. That's enough. I put a little sea salt. It's enough. Black pepper. Okay. And we give it nice turn everything. Okay, now this you gotta cook 7 to 8 minutes. And this you gotta cook on medium. Okay, you don't want to be burn. And make sure to turn this all the time. Okay, you don't want to be stick on a barrel. Okay, the spinach is cool off and we gotta chop a little bit. Okay, that's all. And we put it back on the same dish. Okay, now we started the stuff for the rollata. And we started with 1 egg. I got the ricotta. I got the spinach. Okay, now we put a little Parmigiano cheese. The mozzarella. I like to buy this kind of the mozzarella black, like this you know what you buy. Shred, I don't like it too much. Look how beautiful. Okay. Okay, I put a little salt, not too much, because the cheese is salty, only a little bit. And I got a little black pepper. Okay, and now, nice mix. Now we gotta start the stuff. What I do like this. I do 1, 2, to make sure I cover all 10 over here. After when we roll, some it come out, and like this, I can finish the last one, okay, no got too much. And now we start to spread the ricotta, the stuff, everything. And we do like this, and now. All right, now we start roll. Now to finish the bechamel, I put Parmigiano cheese inside. This, more cheese you put, is so delicious. Okay, and we give a turn with the Parmigiano cheese. And look how beautiful red. Oh. And now, mozzarella. This one, we put everything inside the oven, this, and melt everything. So good. And we mix this all together with the mozzarella and with the Parmigiano cheese already we did. Okay, good. And we put a little bit on the barrel, do not leave a stick. It's a nice cremosa. Okay, now we do like this. Okay, and now it's a time to put like that. Look how beautiful it look. And now we put it on the top. We cover all the rollata lasagna. And now this is going in the oven for 400 degrees. All right. Oh. After we gotta see when this is done, it gotta be delicious. Okay, cook for 30 minutes and my lasagna rollata is done. And look how beautiful look. Wow. It's really, really nice. Ah, now I want to taste my rollata lasagna. Okay, this, it's my. All right, now. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Hey. Booyah! It's really hot the stuff over here. Watch, Pasquale, no burn your mouth. It melts in your mouth. Oh, so good. You want to be more good? Salute cin cin, a little glass of wine with this. Mwah. Salute. Cin cin. Thank you, everybody, and we see next recipe. Garlic, egg, neck nug.
What?
Net nug?
Net mug.
Neck nug.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg. And say,
Nutmeg.
Wait, do the egg, and then the garlic, and then the nutmeg again.
Nutmeg, all right?
Yes,
Nutmeg,
yes.
yeah.